Okay, so if you have a problem with the CH1702 machine when you clamp it down, but the magnet doesn't activate, but you can see that the timer is starting. Yeah. So to fix that, just wait for the handle to go all the way up, so it's disengaged the timer, and then press this red button right here. So this basically acts as your emergency stop switch. So once you press it, you need to press it again. And now it should working. So the timer starts, magnet holds, and when finished should auto open. If for some reason the machine doesn't auto open, all you need to do is just add a little bit more pressure. You need to have resistance when you close the machine. Okay, and another thing that could be the issue, there's actually a stop and switch right there. So you need to make sure that when you press the handle down, it clicks, so it bends. If it's out of place, you can just slightly bend it with the pliers.